Okay, so how's it going, guys? We are here with Algebra Lab. We're on day 2 of these diamond math problems. These diamond problems are, can you see those? You can kind of, well, shoot, let's see if we can. There we go, we can see them. Okay, so the diamond math problems are pretty simple. You should already know how to do these. We've done these 100 times in class. The two numbers on the sides of the x, when you multiply them together, you get the product. Product goes on the top. When you add them together, you get the sum. Sum is going to go on the bottom. Okay. So, for example, on number 4 of day 2, we have 10 and 11. 10 times 11 equals 110. Okay? 10 times 11 equals 110. What is 10 plus 11? 10 plus 11, just go ahead and put it into our calculator. We get 21. Okay? So that's all it is. That's all it is. And you can use a calculator, you know, if you're not too good with the arithmetic yet. All right? So that's number 4. Okay? That's an example of one of the easy ones. It looks like most of the examples, most of the problems on day 2 are that, where both numbers are already given to you. So it's just plug and chug, okay? The only ones you got to do a little bit of work, there's a handful of them, but we'll go through them together right now, okay? So let's do number 18, okay? Number 18, we've got the product of 12 and something equals 84. So if the product of 12 and something equals 84, that means 12 times something equals 84. In other words, 12x equals 84. Okay? If 12x equals 84, then that means we can just divide both sides by 12 and we'll have x, which is the other side. So what is 84 divided by 12? We get 7. So we know that now we've already got our number. Okay? We got our number. We got 12 on the left, 7 on the right, 84 on top. To get the bottom number, we do 12 plus 7 equals 19. Okay? So that's number 18. Okay? Let's move on. Let's go to number 27. Okay? So here's a hint. It's the same as number 4. Okay? So we have nothing on the left and 10 on the right and 110 on top. Okay? So if we have x times 10 equals 110. Well, what did we learn earlier? What times 10 equals 110? 11. So that one's pretty easy if you just remember what problems you did before. That's one of these things about worksheets in math, is that sometimes if you just go back and look at some of the answers that you did before, you'll be able to figure them out pretty quick. Okay? And so if that's the same, 11 times 10 equals 110, what was it on the back? 21 on the bottom. Blackjack. Okay? You guys never played blackjack before, I hope. Or if you do, I hope it's just in a video game. All right. So, go on to number 28. Okay? Number 28, we have nothing on the left. We have 4 on the right. Okay? And we have 9 on the bottom. So 9 on the bottom there. Man, you cannot see with this silly lamp. All right. So we have 9 on the bottom there. So that means that 4 plus something equals 9. In other words, 4 plus x equals 9. So what would we do if this was a math problem? Or if it is a math problem. What would you do if it was an algebra problem? You would subtract 4 from each side of this. Okay? If you did that, you get x on its own. Okay? And then we would subtract, okay, 4 from 9. So what is 9 minus 4? Answer is 5. Okay? So 5 plus 4 equals 9. What is 5 times 4? You should be able to just do this in your head, but we can do it on the calculator. 5 times 4 equals 20. Okay, so there you go. 4 quick problems, all of them done here. Just here real quickly together. Leave a comment on this video or in Google Classroom if you got any questions for me. Peace.